All right, so I always wanted to build a simulator, a golf simulator, but the prices are really expensive. I mean, we're talking about $2,000 to $3,000 just to get the devices. Sometimes they even go for more. And on top of that, they have fees. Now, when I'm talking about fees, some of them have yearly contracts for the actual simulator itself. There's not that many that actually have it lifetime, so they actually got away with that now. They're gone. Now, I wanted to do something inexpensive at a fractional price. So let me show you what I did, okay? So we're gonna start out with the actual Garmin. I end up going with the Garmin R10 because I saw it on eBay, real cheap. I mean, real dirt cheap. We're talking about a $200 Garmin, all right? So I'm gonna show you the difference between that one and the Best Buy. It's about the same thing, it's just the cost. That's it. So if you find yourself there, you're almost halfway, more than halfway to building your actual simulator. So let me show you what I did.
How much it costs? $5.99 here, right? At Best Buy. $5.99. I got this one.
All right, so I took a little snag. I actually built my own with closet hangers tubes. All right, and this is, I don't recommend anybody doing this. I actually ended up returning it. I didn't like it. It was very flimsy. You're better off buying a cheaper enclosure than just making yourself. So I'm gonna show you the new one that I just built. All right, so I got this net, and this is a full enclosure net. It came out with an actual little target. The price about $240 during this time. So there you go. I save a bunch of money, and we're almost halfway, more than halfway there. I'm showing you the netting, that how simple it is to actually place. And I'm going to show you what also I did. I actually ended up buying a heavy duty screen net that you're able to play golf simulator and even watch movies too. I'm going to show you in a bit. All right, let me go over the prices. What I spent was probably around close to $700 to $800. Now, looking at the prices that right now, currently they're not the same as before. So I'm going to break it down. The Garmin right now, if you buy it, it's $399. The golf hitting net, it's about $295. The impact screen, which is the one, that projector screen that goes into it, it's about $269. Now the heavy duty hitting mat that I'm standing on, it's $104. The 4K projector, it's $125. But depending on where you find it, you can buy it, even buy a cheaper one. Now, awesome 3D golf, the game itself, it's free with the demos, but if you want to include maybe more courses, you pay a fee, a monthly fee, $14, depending on the actual deal that they have. Overall, the cost was $1,192, but I did not include taxes. So if you bump it up another 200 bucks, I would say, or 150 bucks, hey, it's not a bad deal. You don't spend too much, you get a lot more for your buck. So
It take to make your own simulator in the backyard. Well, it takes a net because dangerously, I've been hitting the balls hard and crazy, and I did send one out to my neighbor, and I apologize. So now that I got this tent here, this net, I could even close it up and get closer in the middle, but I want the projector and everything else to work right. Now, I could hang the projector from this pole directly on the top, but I choose not to because I'm actually doing other stuff with it. But I ended up setting up a projector screen. If you guys want more information about it, let me know. Those great things about those projector screens. Now, I do have these balls that glow in the dark. They've been awesome. And then I got this Garmin R10 that's been awesome. Now, I got this little projector that's been awesome. And then I got this long tripod that's from Xgo, I'm sorry. It's been awesome. And then I have light, which the projector works really well with it. The projector is just like, you can still see it. Even if I turn off the lights here, I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. So the only thing is, like, I want to see what I'm hitting. That's why. That's the only reason I turn on the lights and I play with the lights on. So I'm playing directly from my phone, connected to one cable go all the way up to my projector. So don't need a computer, don't need anything. I was able to do this through all this system. Now, if you guys are looking for a projector, a light projector that you can move anywhere, has plenty of features for gaming, for movie watching, pretty much anything you want. And right now I put it real high, as you can see, because I'm able to do that because this projector has a lot of great functions. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.